Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Coleman SaluSpa Hot Tub with Chlorine Spa Sanitizer Kit. Make your hot tub dreams a reality with this startup set, which includes the Coleman SaluSpa Inflatable Air Jet Hot Tub and Leisure Time Chlorine Full Starter Spa Kit. The Coleman SaluSpa Spa is an inflatable hot tub that seats 4 people and is completely portable, so you can take it with you on your vacations or relax at home. Enjoy the luxury of a hot tub in your house, with friends, or as a romantic treat with the Coleman SaluSpa and Starter Kit. Product benefits. With durable TriTech walls and sturdy construction, you can sit on the sides of this super structurally sound spa. There are also 2 handles built into the sides for easy transportation. Your maintenance kit comes with chlorinating granules to maintain a constant level of chlorine in your water. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.